Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to replace this LEVOIT HEPA filter. So this is a 2-pack and this is made by Colorfullife. This is the Core 300 LEVOIT air purifier, and if your red light on your filter is on, that means it's time to change your filter. So here's the 2-pack. Now make sure you take this plastic off. Here's what the filter looks like. Now this was in my basement for a while, and you can see this is the old filter. You might be able to get away. I was able to take a vacuum and you can vacuum this outer screen off and you can get a little bit more life out of it, but eventually you will have to replace it. And so just turn it upside down, rotate this counterclockwise. There's the filter again, make sure the plastic's off of it. This is, and you simply just put it in there like that. Now you're ready to go. Now you're going to hold down that filter button for about 3 or 4 seconds until that red light goes out. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.